Your immune system defends you every second, from the moment you wake up to the time you fall asleep. But stress, processed food, and lack of sleep slowly wear it down. Today, we'll reveal 7 proven superfoods that strengthen your immunity, naturally and scientifically. These foods don't just help you avoid colds, they help your body heal and recover faster. Stay till the end for a 2-minute smoothie recipe that combines all 7 into one powerful drink. First up, blueberries. Often called the antioxidant kings, blueberries contain anthocyanins, compounds that protect your cells from oxidative damage. Studies from Harvard show that people who eat blueberries regularly have fewer seasonal infections and higher immune activity. Add them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie. A handful a day is enough to make a real difference. Tiny fruit, powerful protection.
Superfood number 2.
Spinach is your green armor. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, plus antioxidants that protect white blood cells. The secret? Don't overcook it. Lightly steaming spinach keeps its nutrients intact. Boiling destroys up to 50% of the vitamin content. A handful of steamed spinach with olive oil and lemon is one of the simplest immune-supporting meals you can make.
Superfood number 3. Ginger.
Ginger has been used for centuries, and science now backs it up. The compound gingerol fights inflammation and supports respiratory health. Whether you add it to your tea, juice, or stir fry, a small slice goes a long way. Fresh ginger is always better than powdered. If you start your day with a cup of warm ginger tea, your body begins in balance. Simple habit, lasting benefit.
Superfood number 4. Garlic.
Garlic is nature's antibiotic. Its immune power comes from allicin, a compound that forms only after you crush or chop it. Here's a simple trick. Once chopped, let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. That short wait allows the allicin to fully develop. Add it to soups, sauces, or toast. Your immune system will thank you.
Superfood number 5.
Turmeric, the golden healer. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories known to science. But here's the key. Your body can't absorb it well alone. Add a pinch of black pepper, and absorption increases by up to 2,000%. Try golden milk. Warm milk with turmeric, black pepper, and a touch of honey before bed.
Superfood number 6. Yogurt.
Did you know most of your immune cells live in your gut? Yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, contains probiotics that keep your gut bacteria balanced and strong. Always choose plain yogurt without added sugar. Top it with fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey. A healthy gut equals a healthy immune system.
Superfood number 7.
Finally, green tea. It's rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells and improve metabolism. Replace 1 coffee a day with green tea. You'll feel calmer, yet more energized. The perfect balance between focus and relaxation. Now, let's make our immune-boosting smoothie. In a blender, Add half a cup of blueberries, a handful of spinach, 1 slice of fresh ginger, 1 clove of garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add ice and honey if you like. Blend it all for 30 seconds, and there you have it. A glass of natural immune defense. Drink this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Your health doesn't depend on magic pills. It depends on daily choices. These 7 superfoods aren't trends. They're nature's original medicine. Eat fresh, stay consistent, and your immune system will reward you with energy, focus, and resilience. Eat fresh. Stay strong. Live healthy.
Thanks for watching. Here's a quick recap of the 7 superfoods that protect your immunity naturally. Blueberries, spinach, ginger, garlic, turmeric, yogurt, and green tea, all powerful, all proven. Every small choice you make today can give your body more energy, focus, and resilience. Which superfood is your favorite? Comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you prefer smoothies, teas, or simple daily meals with these superfoods? Share your favorite way to enjoy them. Your tip might help someone else boost their immunity too. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs more immunity power today. Every share helps your friends discover simple ways to eat healthier and feel stronger. You can make a difference just by spreading the right information. Don't miss our weekly immunity tips. Hit subscribe and join our healthy community today. We share practical, science-backed ways to eat, move, and live healthier every week. Your body deserves this, and we'll guide you every step of the way. Want a free 7-day immunity meal plan? Download it below and start boosting your health today. It's completely free. It includes easy recipes, superfood hacks, and tips to make your immune system stronger fast. No gimmicks, no complicated steps, just real, simple food that works. Start your journey today and feel the difference in your energy and well-being. Stay consistent, eat fresh, and stay strong. Remember, your health is built one choice at a time. See you in the next video for more superfood secrets, practical tips, and simple ways to live healthier. Your health, our science, guiding you to feel your best every day.